Hi everyone, I'm Ken Barnum, Senior Director of Product Management here at Laticrete. Today I'm excited to introduce Laticrete VaporBand Primer W, your new all-in-one moisture vapor barrier and primer. This ready-to-use, single-component solution is applied in just 2 coats, saving you time, labor, and material cost. It's designed for concrete slabs up to 100% relative humidity and a pH of 14. That means powerful protection for your most sensitive flooring systems. VaporBand Primer W is fast curing too, with each coat drying in just 1 to 2 hours. With VaporBand Primer W, you're ready to move forward in as little as 2 to 4 hours. Once cured, you can apply tile adhesives, repair products, or Laticrete underlayments like NXT Level Plus, and more. And yes, it's compatible with new concrete, ready to be applied as early as 5 days after pour. It's water-based, low VOC, and installer friendly. Being a single component, you'll also love the resealable pail, which means it's reusable, waste reducing, and even freeze-thaw stable up to 5 cycles. So if you're looking for speed, performance, and confidence, choose Laticrete VaporBand Primer W. For more information on VaporBand Primer W, please visit our website at laticrete.com or contact your local Laticrete distributor.